Timbren, hard at work. That is a pallet of fence board, 240 plus an extra 20 gives you 260 fence boards. I can't imagine how much it weighs, but as you can see, the Mickey T's are holding up. The Timbrens are definitely holding up. Let's see. Oh yeah, they're doing their deed. Everything's holding up. That Timbren over there, this Timbren here, and the Timbrens in the front, of course, which we don't really need. And that's just stock leaf springs for E350. And my wheels haven't even dropped. That's a lot of weight. My front pulled my wheels in a little bit because it lifted the rear up. And this is my E350 overload. Now I've put, I think, 80 pound bags of concrete in the back of this thing. So I'm not worried about those fence boards. That was about $600 worth of fence boards.